So my goal right now is to get this truck in there, and then I want to get another car on top of it. We're gonna get out of this now. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh no, what's it doing? There we go. And then I took the car and turned it around. How did I find it? Oh my goodness. My computer does not like that at all. So much physics going on with that. My graphics is kind of freaking out. It's okay. Oh no! I'm trying. I'm trying to get this on there. There's this other guy watching right now. He's probably like super confused. We're gonna try this.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
There we go.
Catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside.
Oh no! Oh yeah! Yeah, there we go. I'll stay con- Oh my god! There we go. The cop got in a wreck. Yeah, we're doing it. We got so far. Yeah. Oh yeah, tell me. Tell me. Oh. Oh yeah, here we go. This one's money. 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 This is awesome.